Alright, so what's up everybody? Welcome back to another video.
Yo, what's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro? What's up, bro?
Today we're gonna be testing F-Secure. It's not F-Secure Safe. I don't think it's called F-Secure Safe anymore since the last time I've tried. But this is their premium product, and we're gonna be testing it against a bunch of malware. So I am yet to drag the malware in, but I wanna first take a look at this product itself. Now again, it's been a while since I've tried and seen this product. My zoomed in operating system is kind of making that difficult because okay, I can see the top window now. Okay, my zoomed in system is making it a bit difficult, but basically it is like you saw probably like over here, and it was overlapping with the top bar and I couldn't really move this thing at all. So yeah, whatever. That is, I have a throwaway. I had made a throwaway because I always do that just for one single test, because okay, then I can't do that right now because I don't know why. So the whole interface is really simplistic. I think it always has been, so that is not really a thing to wonder about. Then we have settings. This is where it gets interesting. So we have the device protection here, which you need to elevate to edit. Obviously, you need to elevate everything because you cannot, like the default user, you cannot just turn off the protection. That's understandable. I think most products require you to escalate to administrator when you're editing these, so yeah, that's the thing. Then you have your gaming mode, manual scanning, USB scan, and forth and so on. But mostly what we're gonna be using here is virus protection, because literally nothing else here matters at this moment at all. And we have VPN if you guys care about that for some reason. I mean, yeah, sure, a lot of people will, but I don't personally care about VPN in an antivirus product. I think that's a gimmick. Then we have scam protection. We're gonna keep this on just in case. This was gonna be good for a full review, which I am planning for F-Secure, so stick around to find out. Then we have banking protection. That's probably also like against fake banking websites or something like that. Maybe. Then we have shopping protection, probably for Amazon, Alibaba, stuff like that. Have ad blocker. That is a welcome addition, but I think it's kind of a gimmick too. This is also a very good addition, very welcome in my opinion, but I don't know, man. Then we have browser extensions. I had to get Chrome just for this thing to work, so it would install the extension, but that's okay. It was a bit annoying, but whatever. So the update was done 7 minutes ago as of right now with the security cloud, and then with the product and database, it was done when I installed it like 15 or so minutes ago. We can check again, and let's see. Yep, that's it. It has the newest updates, so that is pretty much it. Okay, so then we have notifications. So I don't think this is necessary, so I will turn this off like right off the bat, because I want only the alerts of the actual product to show. So the detections. I don't need all of these useful, in quotation marks, useful notifications. And then VPN is whatever. I'm not gonna use it anyways. And this, I prefer having this off in every single product. That's my opinion, but you do you, I guess. So you can have support tool, you can do debug, logging, you can reset reputation cache. There's no point in doing that. So that's the whole thing, the whole settings. And now what I'm going to do is I'm going to drag the folder of malware, disable F-Secure first, then drag the folder of malware onto the desktop. Okay, so I am kind of back, but I tried running System Informer instead of Process Explorer, which is System Informer used to be, what is this, Process Hacker. Took way too long and then didn't run. I don't know, it was really laggy. Then it took a while to open Process Explorer too, so I don't know why it's struggling to open these things right now. But here we have 211 items, which is enough to give us a rough estimate. Not too many. Again, quality of samples nowadays is very questionable, so I can't do much about that. Unfortunately, I am sorry in advance, but that's just how it is. So now I'm going to run Maltester, and even that takes a while to open if you didn't notice. Might be F-Secure slowing the thing down, but I'm not sure. It is pretty heavy on the memory from what I'm seeing.
6 hours later.
Okay, we have it here. So I'm just gonna type in yes, and then I'll go to F-Secure and I'll turn it back on, and then we will begin. So let me just turn it on, and I think that's it. Yeah, okay. It is enabled, so let's go. There we go. Okay, so that's it. Detection ratio is 89.57 proactively. What with signatures? What was 0 day? We cannot tell until we see the actual second opinion scan results. But from what I'm seeing, there was Screen Connect client, there was Go to Resolve, all that trash that not a single product actually blocks as a potentially unwanted program, which should either be like PUP or straight up malware, or software used legitimately but for bad things, abused, like software that's often abused. In terms of synchro, I don't know what this is. Let's check in services, but maybe we will be able to stop it, because this is nothing like Go to Resolve. All of this is nothing but like just annoying stuff that interferes with the test. Like, of course it's not gonna block it. Of course it's not gonna block it. Like, I don't know, if you expect it's gonna block it, then you're a bit silly, like straight up, because often it just won't happen. I'll hop in auto runs and see what we can find there. Okay, let's see. I don't know what that is. cmd.exe uninstall. Can I see the entire? Oh, OneDrive. Never mind. Chrome, that's fine. Edge, I don't like Edge. 7-zip, that's fine. F-Secure, Google. That's F-Secure. No idea what that is. Okay, that's also F-Secure. Now these things are off. These things needs to be off. There we go. What else? Nothing, that's it. So now we have all of that garbage that we don't need. Probably see what I mean. It shouldn't respawn now. And it isn't. Okay, great. So that was it in terms of that. So all of that trash that's potentially unwanted is now off. We delete the exe folder. We can't delete the exe folder. Yeah, it's still deleting stuff. Let's delete them from here. It's still finding things. Okay. So that's that folder deleted. That folder is done. So now we're going to restart the computer as it told us to. PE viewer. Okay. I don't know what that is. That just installed. I've not had that before. So let's restart the PC like F-Secure said, and then we'll see what we have left. Okay, so we are back. That took a little longer than I wanted it to. So now we're back in the system. We have everything fine, and I will check for our second opinion scanners right now. So I'll be back when second opinion scanners are completed. Okay, so funny moment. Hitman Pro stopped finish scanning, found nothing. Norton Power Racer found that Sentry thingy. I think it was an app data, which let me check. NPE just closed and it did not care anymore. So let me check that. App data local. So we have that. We'll look up here and I'll be able to show you where they are. Do we have a log? We should have a log here. Let's try this.
But what the hell, boy?
Okay, that is not promising. That is not promising. Okay, here it is. This is what I was talking about. For some reason, it detected this as medium severity, which I guess PUP, but this is the enterprise thingy, the one I disabled. Okay, so we have this, as you can see, and if we go onto this link, or well, yeah, it is Sentry endpoint, which we disabled. I don't know what this is. Again, I don't know what this is. It looks like an antivirus solution. Now I could play around and I can get the stupid folder access.
No, don't do it!
Only logs I can see, which I don't know. This looks like some type of endpoint solution that I don't know about, but it was flagged by an NPE. So I'm not exactly sure what's left, but other than that and what I've disabled, the PUPs, F-Secure did alright. Except the things that of course like went through go to resolve and no one blocks that for some reason. In my opinion, stuff like Screen Connect Client, go to resolve, all of that thingamajig should be a PUP, or like at least, you know, not a virus technical support. Kaspersky says it, but even Kaspersky doesn't classify it as that, so in my opinion it should be classified as that because it is often abused. And yeah, with that out of the way, thank you all for watching. Hope you enjoyed this video. If you want to see more, let me know what I should do. And with that said, see you all in the next video.